pang 3 times withdraw na sa application na to. So, free lang yung application na to. So, itry nyo na guys habang paying pa. So, ayan, pangatlong withdraw ko na to. I-click lang natin tong redeem. So, makikita nyo dito. Ayan. 18 pesos, 9,900 coins. I-click lang yan. Then, lagay lang natin yung account number and name at saka yung phone number. So, ito, GCash number natin. Yan. So, ilagay ko lang yung account ko, guys. Yan, guys. So, ayan na, your order has been submitted successfully. We will process as soon as possible. Please check the order status in the order record. So, i-okay lang natin to. So, ayan. Makikita nyo, guys, na meron na lang ako ditong 70